We'll do an unboxing.
This looks exciting. Wait!
Now I think we can show pieces.
Yeah, I guess. So these are, it comes with I think 15 Play-Dohs. Oh, I think so. Like this. Whoa!
Oh. What all is that?
Molds, star and flower and teddy bear. Oh, and there's a rhino as well. How cool is that? I've never seen a rhino. And this looks like a snail.
Whoa.
This is the extruder.
No, that's a dragon.
Dragon.
That looks
No,
cool.
it's not a dragon.
What is it?
An extruder.
Do you like it?
Yes.
So there are 15
Yeah.
colors.
We can make
And
the
got,
green.
okay.
This is exciting.
I don't know.
Elephant. And this is what I was excited.
This is an elephant.
Rhino.
The rhino.
Rhino?
This has the horn.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's different. This is like for cutting. Flower.
Oh, how
Butterfly.
was it?
Is this a rabbit or is it a snail? Prishu, is this a rabbit or a snail?
I think it is a
I'm
rabbit
confused.
and a snail.
Rabbit and snail.
Rabbit
I have
and
been in front of the extruder and you can get out these different shapes.
Oh wow.
So we took out a star shape. We spoiled it already.
Okay. Now press. All right. Oh, lovely.
Whoa, so big. Gotta put the red one. How cool is that? Now you can cut like small segments.
That's right.
Whoa! I got all these